Hello, welcome to Go Africa Global. We are a USA-based firm located in New York City, with entities in the UK, the EU, the Middle East, Asia, and throughout Africa. The major objectives of Go Africa Global are to bring African products and solutions to the world. We are pleased to announce the relaunch and rebranding of our legacy coffee, cashew, and chocolate-covered cashew products. We are also pleased to announce the phased launch of our new Go Africa branded products for retail sale in 3 categories: coffee and tea, snack nuts, and cooking ingredients. In the category of coffee and tea, we have whole bean, ground, and instant coffee select origin and blended coffees and select origin and blended teas. In the category of snack nuts, we have cashews, macadamia nuts, peanuts, tiger nuts, and dark chocolate-covered cashews. In the category of cooking ingredients, we have cocoa powder, teff flour and teff grain, and macadamia nut oil. All Go Africa branded products are organically produced, processed, and manufactured in Africa, from non-GMO sources, by our farmers, distributors, manufacturing and processing partners, and cooperatives through environmentally sustainable means. Go Africa branded products are for retail sale online at the following websites: GoAfricaStore.com in the USA and Amazon.com in the USA, the UK, and the EU. Go Africa branded products will soon be available online at Amazon.com in Asia and the Middle East as well. Wherever you are in the world, Go Africa branded products are making their way to you. Please visit our website at goafricaglobal.com or goafricastore.com or email us at info@goafricastore.com.